Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duckbricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. So this set right here is one of the oldest LEGO sets, and this truly predates the LEGO minifigure. This is set number 256. It features a squad of policemen as well as a brick-built motorcycle featuring the original style of LEGO Homemaker figures, which I do own a few of in my collection, but not many, and it's a really interesting set to boot. You can see it includes 3 different police officers featuring different caps they can actually wear on their heads. This is again the original design for playable LEGO figures before the minifigure was actually introduced, and also introduces some pretty interesting pieces like these stop signs here, which also is very exclusive to this era of LEGO. This set was used, but it did come with the original box and packaging, which is pretty special and interesting to have, which you can see right here. Very nice to see the box in such good quality, especially for a vintage set like this. This is from the 1970s, so one of the oldest LEGO sets. Really nice to add to my collection, and also includes the pamphlet and instruction manual advertising some of the oldest LEGO sets from that time. Unfortunately, I do have to note that this set did come with a knockoff piece. The piece right here is actually not LEGO, it's probably something from Mega Bloks or something. Thankfully, Brick Traders did say that they do have a guarantee. If you ever have any problems with set, you can always let them know on your next visit and they will replace any pieces for you. Unfortunately, I do not know when I will be visiting next because it is very, very far away, and I don't know the next time I will be visiting the London area and have an hour's worth of time to actually visit the store. So I unfortunately will not be able to take them up on their offer to fix that piece. I just wanted to make a note of it, and it's not really anything major because it's just a standard 1x2 brick. But with that, we can move on to our next LEGO set here. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also, let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very, very soon.